Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to have 7 minutes about 10 health benefits of eating 1 avocado every day. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. The properties of avocado have caused this fruit to find its way into various pharmaceutical, cosmetic, and health industries. This fruit, which is not harvested in many parts of the world, has miraculous properties. Some of the properties of avocado, like many green fruits such as pears, apples, and cucumbers, are antioxidants, therefore used in many cosmetic products. In this video, we are going to be sharing with you the 10 benefits of eating avocados. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. The fats in avocados are beneficial fats found in abundance in tropical fruits. Therefore, eating avocado in different meals can have a high nutritional value for the consumer. Avocado is a rich source of potassium, vitamins, and healthy fats for the skin, hair, stomach, and digestive system. The presence of potassium, vitamin C, E, B, as well as beneficial fats and other minerals in avocado, has caused this fruit to play an essential role in various health, medical, nutritional, and pharmaceutical fields. In the following part, we will examine the properties of avocado for different organs of the body. Number 10. Properties of avocado for men. If you know about the properties of avocado for men, you will find out more about the miracle of this rich fruit. The properties of avocado for men include lowering high blood pressure, regulating blood sugar, controlling bloating and gas, treating jaundice, maintaining immunity and detoxifying the blood. Avocado cleanses and purifies the bloodstream, maintains cardiovascular health, and boosts blood circulation by alkalizing the body. Number 9. Properties of avocado for women. Due to menstruation and loss of the body's blood, women can help their bodies make blood by avocado. Lowering cholesterol, preventing blood clotting, resulting in strokes and heart attacks are some of the properties of avocado for women. In addition, vitamin K in avocados causes these properties. Therefore, consuming this fruit in different ways in women's diet can help eliminate and prevent many diseases. Number 8. Properties of avocado for hair. Hair and skin are other organs that avocados can play an essential role in maintaining their health. Avocado skin mask for women and men has many effects in the long run. Avocado oil prevents dryness, flaking, dandruff, pimples and blemishes, and many other diseases due to 9 different vitamins. Number 7. Properties of avocado for uterus. A variety of vaginal and uterine infections are treated with avocado. This is due to the presence of vitamin B in avocados. In addition, vitamin C, E, and other natural minerals are among the many properties that avocados have for their properties in treating uterine diseases. Therefore, the presence of this nutrient in women's diets prevents various types of gynecological cancers. Number 6. Properties of avocado for the brain. Avocados also have properties for the brain. Among the properties of avocado for the brain is preventing Alzheimer's disease. Therefore, over the age of 50, using avocado fruit in salads and meals weekly or monthly can be considered a proper diet for people. Number 5. Properties of avocado's kernel. Avocado's kernel is one of the few fruit kernels that should not be thrown away, because it is rich in healthy oil, which contains vitamins and potassium. In fact, many creams, lotions, and cosmetics are made from avocado extract. The avocado kernel also has anti-tumor properties. It is a powerful antioxidant and prevents Alzheimer's disease. In addition, it is one of the most effective herbal remedies for diabetes and high blood sugar. Number 4. Properties of avocado for the eyes. Avocado is a substance for absorbing antioxidants and therefore can protect the health of your eyes. In addition, avocado is an excellent source of lutein. This carotenoid acts as an antioxidant and prevents eye diseases. Number 3. Properties of avocado for the skin. Avocado protects the skin and prevents premature aging, and creates a moist layer on the skin that will act as protection. Besides, avocado fruit hydrates and softens the skin and removes dead skin cells without causing damage. Number 2. Properties of avocado for bad breath. There are many ways to eliminate bad breath, but it is always recommended that it is better to use a natural solution to eliminate bad breath because bad breath is caused by two main reasons. One is the presence of bacteria in the mouth, and the other is digestive problems. Avocado is one of the fruits that can quickly eliminate bad breath entirely naturally. Number 1. Properties of avocado for weight loss. One of the most known properties of avocado is this fruit's slimming properties, which is why it is present in most slimming diets. But, of course, you should note that if you are looking for fast weight loss, avocado is not a very good option. Due to its high fat content, avocados can keep a person full for a long time and prevent overeating. In addition, avocado consumption due to unsaturated fats increases the body's metabolism. Do you like avocados? How do you use this nutritious fruit? In salads? As a fruit? Or its oil? Feel free to share your experiences with us in the comment section below. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.